Alrighty, here we are on lesson 9, day 3, which is on page 9 of your note packet, and this is rectangular prisms with fractional sides. So basically we're still finding the volume, but now we just have to remember how to multiply fractions and mixed numbers. So we're going to go ahead and skip over to page 11 actually, and this is the first example that should be at the top of your page. It should be example D. So we're trying to find the volume of all these prisms. So remember, volume equals the area of the base times the height. So if we use this formula, we have V equals the area of our base, and I'll shade it in here. It's kind of like this bottom part. Alright, so we have 5 times 5/6, and then our height that connects the two, it is 1 1/2. So first we need to change, remember, all of our mixed numbers to improper fractions. So our 5 becomes 5 over 1 times 5/6, and then to make this an improper fraction, 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 gives us 3, so this is 3/2. Alright, so now we need to do some cross division. So 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 6 two times. So now we can just go ahead and multiply across. So 5 times 5 is 25 over 2 times 2 is 4. And if we make this back into a mixed number, this would be 6 1/4 units, and it is cubed because it is volume. Okay. Example E, same thing here. Volume of the base times the height, or volume equals the area of the base times the height. So our base for this one is going to be, I'm going to shade in kind of this top part because it would be the same on the bottom. So we'd have V equals 3 1/3 times the width of that base is 3, and then our height is 3 1/3. So change our mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 gives us 10/3. Times 3 over 1, and then times another 10/3. So we cross divide here. These 3's cancel each other out. They become 1's. So now we just multiply across. 10 times 10 is 100 divided by 3. And when we convert this, this is 33 1/3 units cubed. Alright. Part F here at the bottom of the page. Again, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to shade in our base. It's going to be kind of this top part here. So the volume is the area of the base, which is 2 times 5 2/3 times the height, which is 7 1/2. So we make all of these into fractions or improper fractions. So 2 becomes 2 over 1 times 5 2/3. So 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 2 is 17/3 times 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15, and this is halves. So now we are looking for some cross division here. These 2's weigh on opposite ends, cancel, they become 1's. The 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. I'm pretty sure that's all we can do there. So we multiply across. 17 times 5 is 255, and this is over 3. Oh no, just over 1. Sorry, I had to go back and check that. 17 times 5 is not 255. I lied. Let's check that in the calculator, and you can check it with me. So we're going to do 17 times 5, which is just 85. So that is our answer here, 85 units cubed. Okay, so if you remember how to go back and forth between mixed numbers and improper fractions, you will be good to go for this section, and that is all we are going to do in the video.